Hey everybody, so we are doing a pantry meal and I've already got 1 quart of jambalaya in there. I'm going to add another pint, so we will have enough for, oh man, for his, both of us dinner and his lunch. Wipe up my mess. So we're having jambalaya that I canned. We're going to have some cornbread, rice, and I already made him wild rice, or wild rice for his dinner, which is actually a grass. It's good for if you have diabetes. Wild rice is better for you than the white or brown rice. Add our mix. I'm going to add a smidge of oil to my cast iron and put it in my hot oven. I put that in there. Add my milk. Box out of the way. Need 1/3 of a cup of oil, 2/3 of a cup of milk, and 1 egg. Where's the 1/3 line? There it is. So have you heard there's going to be a canned goods shortage and they don't want us to buy extra? That came out of someone here in Oklahoma, that there would be a shortage. We knew that was coming. 1 egg. And just stir it up. And this is a quick and easy meal. I'll be doing a few of these this week with our rainy weather. Be doing chili verde one night and beef stroganoff one night. Put that in the recycle. Put this in our skillet. I love this cornbread. I think he thinks it's too sweet, but I think there's an unsweet cornbread people like. I don't like that kind. Set the timer. Everything's crashing tonight. Wipe up my mess. Put our jambalaya on to cook. And that's it. So I will come back when we plate up our, the longest thing is the cornbread. So I will see you in about 25 minutes. Okay, everything is ready. There is our cornbread. I've got his rice in his bowl. So spoon. Cut this. See, this is what I like about cooking cornbread in a cast iron. You get these crispy edges. They're yummy. My dogs, as usual, are all hopped up. Put a little butter on there for him. Okay. Now fill this bowl. It's kind of funny, these jars of jambalaya. I was looking at them and I was like, where'd all the juice go? Because it didn't siphon out. I don't know if you can tell, but that sausage is bubbled. I don't know how else to explain it. And if you bite into it, juice comes out, kind of like that gum back in the day. I don't know if you can tell. So that's where the juice went. It went inside the sausages. I kind of like it. I think it's kind of cool. So there you have it. It's a 25-minute meal, and that was just the cornbread baking. It's actually a five-minute meal. Mix the cornbread, heat up the jambalaya. So the longest part is the baking of the cornbread. So there you go, prepper pantry meal, easy peasy. Your home canned goods or your store-bought. Well, I have seen They do have chili verde canned at the grocery store. I don't know if they have jambalaya, but they probably have gumbo. So there you have it. If you have any questions, post them down below. Share what you cook from your pantry that's delicious and easy. So being in a pickle doesn't have to suck. We'll get through this. Can your dishes up. Buy stuff to make it. We'll get through. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.